welcome back to my channel. Today is Mask Monday, so happy Mask Monday. And hi, my name is Jennifer. If you are new to my channel, I do Mask Mondays. I do makeup material. I do unboxings on my channel. And as per my channel name, I do talk about agoraphobia and general mental health topics. So if you're into any of those subjects, or say you're into all those subjects, then I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell to all, and so you will be notified every time that I upload a video. So if you want to open some friend mail with me and a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, on Mondays I do Mask Monday with a bunch of lovely ladies. If you ever want to join in, put on a face mask and join in and use the hashtag maskmondayladies. The face mask I am using today is from the Creme Shop. It's called 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely. It uses collagen and squalane, and yeah, I got that in an Ipsy Glam bag. So let's start off with some friend mail. I know it is late, but better late than never. This is from Andie Does Stuff. It's got a cute little sticker there. And I love Andie. She is so cool. I love watching her channel. I will leave everybody's channel down below. These are the ladies that I did the Christmas look collab with. It says, "Hi Jennifer, it's been so great getting to know you. Wishing you love and happiness to fill your heart this Christmas. Merry Christmas from Andie Does Stuff." So that is so sweet. I am so happy to have met her through the Christmas look collab. This one is from Miss Leanna Dalton. She is so helpful. She is trying to help me get my lighting situation under control. And she's been very helpful with that. And she is in charge of the collab that is going on tomorrow, which is the New Year's Eve Affordable Glam collab. So be looking out for that. It says, "Wishing you a Merry Little Christmas." It says, "Jennifer, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a beautiful 2022. Sending you special wishes for a Merry Christmas. XOXO, Leanna." And she put in some cute little stickers there. Check out her channel. She does a lot of stuff on her channel. Unboxings and makeup and all of that stuff. And then I got a card from Miss Lisa Rhines. She does a lot of makeup stuff on her channel. And okay, looks like she sent a sheet mask called Winter Skin and a facial mask. Thank you, Lisa. I will definitely be using that. Collagen infused facial mask. I can't talk today. Okay, thank you very much. And it says, "Merry Christmas. May every joy of the season be yours. Merry Christmas and God bless," from Lisa Rhines. Okay, alright. I am so happy to be getting friend mail. And I don't have like a special place to put up my mail, but no, to all of you, if you're watching me, I am so grateful to get mail from y'all, and it just warms my little heart so much. Okay. I had a fantastic Christmas. Me and Aaron, sorry if I've been knocking the light. Me and Aaron and our two teenage kids. So we just had a great Christmas. One thing that I got that I told Aaron to get me was because it was half off was the Charlotte Tilbury mystery box, and it came in a box like this, and I've already opened it, but I thought I'd share the products with you guys that I got since it was a mystery box. And there was 7 products in there. They're all, but a couple, like, some mini and some full size. One of the products was the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. I haven't opened this up yet to see what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I have so much open, but I did get a Sephora card as well for Christmas, and I bought some more Charlotte Tilbury stuff. I'm kind of on a Charlotte Tilbury kick, and I was thinking about doing a video of a almost full face. I have an almost full face of Charlotte Tilbury. I almost have everything, but I'm not going to go get everything. I think I have everything except face powder. One of the bigger items in here was this Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight. And that's what she looks like right there with the bronze and the highlighter in there. This is a mini version, I think. I think they have a bigger version of this. I think that bronzer might work on it. I don't think it's too dark. And the highlight looks like it would be more of a lip from within. Also, they sent a mini version of their magic cream. I've never tried this before. And it smells good. I like the way it smells. Nice and creamy. And then this is for your eyes. It is called the Color Chameleon, and I think it's in the shade Champagne Diamonds, and that is what it looks like. And that looks like it'd be a good one and done shade. A nice shimmer shade for your eyes. And then, of course, I think this is just called Kiss. I mean, it is just one of her lipsticks. I don't know what kind of lipstick it is from her, but it is a nice kind of dark pinky shade. And I really like this kind of color. So I like that a lot. And then, of course, we get this, I don't know if it's a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick or what, but it comes in the shade Pillow Talk. And I don't have much Charlotte Tilbury stuff. I have one face palette of hers, and that is it. And then last of all, we have a little eyeshadow quad called the Flawless Eye Filter. It just says Luxury Palette. And that is what she looks like right there. It looks like it's just the one black matte and the rest are kind of shimmer satin shades. I don't know. I didn't bring like something down here to wipe my hand off. That's why I'm not doing swatches right now. Alright, have the stuff all over my hands. And yeah, I think that's all that came in the mystery box. I'm glad we didn't have to pay a full price for it, because it was like $200 something full price, something like that. It was a lot of money full price. So we got it at a good discount. And yeah, that was one of my Christmas presents that I got. Let me know how your Christmas went, and I just want to know. I'm nosy, okay? I'm just pulling out nosy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take off my mask. I also have a skincare collab that's coming out closer to the middle of January, where I will be doing my AM makeup skincare routine, if y'all are interested in that. This was a really juicy sheet mask. If y'all got this in your Ipsy bag. Okay. Again, I will leave the links to all of these ladies down below. Go check out their channels. And look out for my collab coming tomorrow. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below. And I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are having an especially hard time out there, remember that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes today. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there, okay? And yeah, I will see you tomorrow in my collab video. And alright, stay well until then. Goodbye.